Hi Scorpions, welcome to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Wish Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Essentials Running. Let's start with your reading. This is going to be though timeless, but right from 7th of June till 13th of June 2021. Okay? The reading will go like that. Like you are going to have a jump here, okay? And this jump is like I'm seeing here, I'm hearing trampoline. Trampoline. Okay, Trampoline, which is the thing that you jump on. So there's going to be certain jump, okay, and you need to believe that jump, because I feel like right now in your situation there is something that you might be feeling that's like the lost opportunity, or I am unable to get control over that. Okay, I feel there's going to be a higher conversation, okay, or a certain kind of thing that's going to happen, a realization, a breakthrough. And there may be some communication with the person as well, like you will end up doing it. It's like not losing interest in something. It is basically that I have to get it, and you're going to talk with them. So there's a jump. So it's like to get in a better situation. That's what I see. So we're going to talk about the overall energy or heart energy that you are going to work on. Some of you are over emotional for someone in particular. This may be a Piscean. You have this energy which goes so well with what I said. You have Six of Wands energy. It's like overcoming something. It's like also getting back in contact with someone, or you're getting a call from someone. Not for everyone out here, but may resonate with some of you. This is a judgment. Right thing will be served. It's also giving chance, wanting chance, realizations here. But this is a judgment, which is about the time is here. Time has come. With the Six of Wands energy, there's a better move, better jump, and you have to believe it. Better move. So maybe regarding relationship, maybe regarding real-time, work related or something else in your life, friendships also. But this is like someone with someone you were in or at cross. You're no longer, or you will no longer be at cross within this situation. It's like homecoming. It's about even your travel. Okay, it is such an exam possible that you need to prove yourself, because you're right. So in this case, if you're right, and because you're right, this is your energy, you are having this movement. Okay, you need to believe this jump, this trampoline. It's also your presence somewhere. Focus. Don't get distracted. Eight of Pentacles energy. So maybe it's like your focus on your work, specialization, higher studies possible, polishing something, but it's focus. So you need not to lose focus from something here. It's also like a focused communication, a focused travel. It's a focused goal as well. Okay, there's something that you're organizing, and it's like you're working really hard to accomplish something and to keep something in the safe, which may be money related thing, financial, okay, something that you're completing. It's about something that you're saving. It's investment or something like that. Ten of Pentacles. It's about the home. It's about the now. Talked about the moon as well, I think, when I started. Whatever is in dual state is going to be out. Whatever is on the other side, you're going to be knowing, or you'll get aware about that. It's about knowing the facts. The moon, there may be a Piscean. As I started my reading, I said so Piscean, okay? You have a Piscean. It's like having a breakthrough from the scorchy season, basically. Knowing the facts, knowing the underlying things. It's about the bark. It's about letting the other energy know, or letting someone know in particular what I am made up of, like I'm being faithful. It's not about proving, basically. It's just about that you being you, and the person should know. Actually, it does come something in the mid of like proving, but not exactly doing the stuff, how it goes with you. But there is something that is like overcoming emotional situation. Okay, jump from this emotional situation. And this may be jump from this side to the other side to know the facts, to know the realities, to know the illusion that you are in or you were in. Okay? To know why this one is. Okay, some of you are saving, you're saving. So I talked about, money. I also talked about your saving home, saving relationship, something that you are doing. There's again Six of Swords energy. There might be a travel on your part to balance things out. Something is you are letting loose. It's like you're not putting faith in something. Zero the Fool energy, reversed here though. But you're not ready to put faith in someone, and that's why you are focused, and that's why you are not ready to distract yourself. You are overcoming something, I'm telling you. The illusion or the lie or someone who was keeping you in that situation of like showing you the mirage, you're going to know the reality. You are not going the way they want you to, or you're not going to trust them or trust something. Whatever is going to happen here, the delay in something here with the Fool energy, which is good and it's going to be good. To not have a leap of faith in this time frame is going to be profitable for you. Basically, it's going to be right for you. There is like hurry of doing something in you as a Scorpio. There is a hurry. I want to do it. I want to achieve it. I want to talk possible. But whatever is happening is good. There is someone who is mum. There is someone who is not speaking. Okay? There's a deep thing of like, I need to know this person. As if it's new. It's very difficult to get. They're on the other side. It's like they don't trust easily. Okay? If it's about them. To have a higher view, you need a trampoline, which means that you will try something else. Now, what's beyond Zero the Fool though? Something pious, something holy is coming in your life. There is initiation, there is breakthrough, there is yes, no's solution, there is truth coming out. Ace of Swords is communication. Beyond Zero the Fool energy, what is not happening now will prove better things to come in your life in the future. Why it's not happening, we'll let you know why it's not happening. Okay, and your decision was right. And some of you will know that someone befooled you by not talking. Two of Swords energy. There is someone on Eight of Pentacles here. I feel that you're not in talking terms, that's where you're coming from, or you are at cross because of someone, or there's a misunderstanding. Basically, the one person is not speaking at all, okay? Or someone who is not actually having the reality check here. And you're going to have reality check in the future. I'm sorry. You're going to have reality check in the future. This person's energy is a distraction to you, but you need to focus. That's what you're doing. They kind of distract you, okay? Or you might be thinking about it. Look, on the moon is the Three of Swords energy. It's a disappointing phase or breaking heart, or believing someone who's already in a relationship, or believing or loving someone unaware that they are in relationship. Also, it does happen, and that breaks your heart because you are unaware, because you don't know the other side. So if you were involved or talking with someone, you need to stop. Who is already in relationship, goes vice versa as well. To have a better view, have trampoline and believe that it's happening for a reason. The move is happening for a reason. The truth will be out. That's, I feel like, Three of Swords and Moon is here in the present call, which is Zero the Fool is coming reversed. So you don't want to be befooled by someone, and that's why you will know the truth, and that's why you're going to stop. So it's for better. There's a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy as well. Okay, you have to close some chapter here, or you have to have a jump for your better future. Five of Cups energy. Stop showing appreciation or your emotions to someone who doesn't get affected. Five of Cups energy is like expecting from someone who's already out of this, or they were never into this. So basically, don't be befooled. Okay, also you'll know the truth, and that may disappoint you. Pattern, there might be something that is showing you, do not repeat it. Pattern, someone's pattern. Okay, I feel that you want to you want to have this union. You were happy for that, or goes vice versa, but I feel you want to have this, but you don't know that this thing is also making you uneasy. You want this union, and you want that someone to stay, but I feel this is your pink energy. Pink energy in a way, like you're very hopeful, and you're very, thing is happy. Thing is happy. Okay, I think there's a triangle situation. Ring. Are you involved with someone who's already involved with someone, or married, or engaged, or involved, or you want this reunion? I'm telling you. For some cases, this may be the ring is about you're going to talk to someone to start something with them. Okay, because you want this ring, commitment. So maybe confession or commitment talk. Okay, I hope this is going to help you guys. See you soon. Bye.